into more simple fatty acids by the action of the enzyme lipase. During sprouting, the beans lose their objectionable gas producing quality. For maintenance of health, some amount of gas production is necessary, but it should be within safe limits. As the process of germination ends and sprouting begins, the percentage of oligosaccharides is reduced by 90. Sprouts contain a lot of fiber and water, and therefore they are helpful in overcoming constipation. Sprouts are an extremely inexpensive method of obtaining a concentration of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. They have in them all the constituent nutrients of fruits and vegetables and are live foods. Eating sprouts is the safest and best way of getting the advantage of both fruits and vegetables without contamination and harmful insecticides. It should, however, be ensured that the seeds and dried beans are purchased from a store where they are fresh, unsprayed, and packed as food. Seeds that are packaged for planting purposes may contain mercury compounds or other toxic chemicals.